right, number 3, living will. Now, I just said I was going to come back to talking and answering the question about the will and do you need a separate will when you're in Ireland? And then I just said, number 3, living will. This is really confusing. I don't know who came up with the idea that calling a healthcare directive or an advance directive a living will made any sense. So a living will, as the terminology is used, means your healthcare directive, which is also called an advance directive. A living will has absolutely nothing to do with your last will and testament, and therefore it is very confusing. Nonetheless, number 3, living will, advance directive, healthcare directive, that is also something that's very important for everyone to have. What does it do? What does it say? How is it different than your healthcare agent? Well, your healthcare agent is the person that speaks for you on your behalf. They're authorized under your healthcare durable power of attorney. But your advance directive, your healthcare directive, your living will, those are your end of life wishes. So what does that mean? Probably everybody has heard the term pull the plug. What that is that when you are at end of life, if you don't want to be kept alive artificially through machines, through artificial feeding, etc. When at that point in time, when your doctors have put in your medical record, you know what, everything beyond this is futile in terms of the person will not recover based on all medical probability, that we can keep this body alive, but that doesn't mean that this person will ever come back to be the person who they were before or have any quality of life. Most people at that situation, everybody's different, but most people say, you know what, if I'm at that point where machines can keep me going, but there's no hope of me ever becoming who I am or was, pull a plug. That's called a healthcare directive. Now, as I said, your wishes could be, no, I want every single thing done for the rest of however long it takes for years and years and years. Keep me hooked up to machinery. If that's your wishes, please put it in your healthcare directive, because you can bet your healthcare agent who's going to be advocating on your behalf, stating your wishes, is going to encounter a lot of resistance from the medical facility, who won't want to keep you going on and on and on forever for their own reasons. So whether you say keep me going at all costs or let me go, let me die peacefully, I'm okay with that. Put it in writing. How you put it in writing is through your healthcare directive.